Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Haja Blessing Ninaku. If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. As you can already tell by the title, today's video is about me setting up my guest bedroom bed. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step on how I set up or make my guest bedroom bed, so you can also have an idea how to give your bed that professional look. My channel is all about home decor, fashion and sewing, faith, and other stuff. So if you like fashion and you love to sew, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit on that bell button so you wouldn't miss any other videos. But if you're also into home decor videos, this is also the channel for you. Make sure you hit on that bell button below as well so that you wouldn't miss any other videos that I post. So without further ado, let's get right into this video, shall we? So usually when I have guests over, I usually allow my guests to use the sheets at least maybe once or twice, and then I change it and then I wash it and use another one. So usually after I laundry the sheets, I usually just fold them on the bed depending on how I'm feeling that day. If I have enough energy, once I wash it, I set the bed up right away. If not, I just usually fold it on the bed and just lay it on the bed, and when I'm less busy, I attend to it. But usually we don't have guests come over like back to back to sleep over. Probably if we have a guest, it's probably maybe a month they come over to sleep over. But the bed is usually just made and set up whenever we have guests coming over to sleep over. It's ready for them. That's one key of keeping your home really neat. Make sure that though it's not being used, make sure you make it so it can look presentable. So this is another lesson for Blessings Interior. So let's, so what I do, I set the sheets on the bed. So I'm just gonna take these down. So I have the pillowcases. So I'm just gonna run through like some stuff that are on the bed so it can give you an idea on how to set up your own bed as well. So I usually have the pillowcases and the sheets, and this pillowcase and sheets I bought it from Amazon like 2 years ago before we moved into the house. So I just had them in queen size, and I'll make sure I post the link below of the where you can get it. So I love the print on the pillowcases, and it's also on the sheets as well. So I usually lay this aside because that's the first thing I would use. And I love quilted blankets. During summertime it works perfectly fine, and wintertime it keeps you very warm. So that's why I really love the quilted blanket sets. And I usually have like one throw-on blanket on the bed. But this time I think I might use two. This was the old one that used to be on the bed, and this is the other new one. So this quilted, this throw-on blankets are from Ross as well. So I'm just gonna lay this aside. And also to make your bed look very professional and good, you also want to have some pillows on your bed as well, just to give it that pop of color that you're looking for in your room. As you can see, we have like, it's more like bluish teal color on this side of the wall. So I wanted to give it, because the theme of the guest bedroom was blue and plush pink. So that's the theme I was going for the guest bedroom, and I wanted to add the plush pillows just to bring out the theme that I was looking for. So make sure you have throw-on pillows as well.